Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. I decided to show you my technique how to lift up a heavy backpack without getting injured. I have got some experience with heavy backpacks. I was in the military and now I'm doing a lot of mountaineering things and bushcraft, mainly multi-day hikes, and in the mountains I do also mountain-related sports like ice climbing, and there you have to bring a lot of gear sometimes. So my backpack usually has got a weight of between 20 and 40 kilograms. 40 is like the maximum. Sometimes it was 42, but then it's like ropes, ice climbing gear, gear for 3 to 4 days, food for several days, and then it adds up to 40 kilograms. But I think my average backpack weight is around 30 kilograms. Right now I have got a backpack with 25, and I want to show you the technique on how to pack this backpack on your back without getting injured. So enjoy. At first, for easy understanding, I will place the backpack from my back to the ground. So I loosen the hip strap, open it, and I open the chest buckle. Then the backpack is loose. Now I slide through my left arm, and now it sits only on the right shoulder. So it already wants to move forward. So it does it almost by itself. I hold it back with my elbow and place my right leg underneath it. Now I can place it on my upper leg. And then I grab with my left arm in the shoulder strap, hold it, and now it rests on my leg. Then I grip the grip or the handle and lower it with straight back. So for me, this feels like the most effective way to place it from the back to the ground. The most important thing is to keep your back straight. Right now it's only 25 kilograms, so it's unlikely to get injured, but maybe you're exhausted, so you are weaker and you do a wrong move and you get back pain or a serious injury, also in the shoulders, possibly. I am 1.92 meters tall and my weight is 96 kilograms, so yeah, I can handle this weight. But I try to be effective and try to avoid injuries, especially in the back and shoulders. Now to lift it up, I do it almost the same, but in reverse. So, wide step, gripping the handle in the middle. Since it's in the middle, it's easier to balance. Lift it up with a straight back, and I can lift it up with my arm, and I can support or help with the other arm. And straight back on my knee, and now it's easy to hold it. Then I slide in my right arm, like it's now almost the same like before, but maybe I'm a bit deeper. With the elbow I'm holding it, and then I can stand up, give it a bit of a jump, and now it sits on one shoulder. Slide the other arm in, now it's on both shoulders. I can close this. Now, for putting on the backpack, usually at first you start with the hip belt, then with the breast or with the chest strap, and then with the shoulder straps. But since the shoulder straps didn't move, at least with my experience I can tell you they didn't move, so I only have to close this. Now here's the reason why I have loosened it when doing it on the ground, because it's easier to close, then I can tighten it again. And now it feels okay and I can move on. Now let's do the same but faster, like in real speed. Here's my backpack. It can be a good idea to check where to step, because when it's heavy and you're exhausted, it's possible that you will have to balance a bit, maybe, sometimes. So make sure there's no cliff or whatever. So straight back, bring it like this. And this is the starting position. So now in, up. Then like this, you can even lift your knee up. Quite easy. There are some other techniques to do it. This is the one that works for me. It doesn't have to work for you. Some guys prefer to lift up the backpack from the front and slide in like this. I don't think it's effective for me. Tell me in the comments, how do you do it? Do you do it like that? Have you done it before with heavy backpack? Yeah. But now, for the military and also civil world, sometimes you have to get on your knees. So now I will show you how I handle going down on the knees. In the military you have to get down on the knees, and also in the civil world if you want to take a short rest or if you want to get underneath something. So I place one leg in front of the other and do this even further behind, and then I go down like this. For me that's easy and it feels effective. It doesn't have to work for you. Going up I do the same way, so one foot relatively wide forward, then I place the weight above this. And then with that, I have a stable platform. You can also try different to step up or go up with both legs at the same time. Now I can even support myself with my arms right here and then push up like this. So for me, this feels effective and relatively easy to do. Of course, one time or two times and then walking again and then again. So for me, this feels good. I can even do it without my arms. But if I do it differently, I feel like I can lose my balance. And with this, it works really good. When the backpack gets more heavy or you are more exhausted, then it's possible to go up and then do a step on the side, because the backpack will move you around. But basically, that's it. Placing the backpack on the ground is almost the same like when standing. So opening the buckles, loosening the straps, then one arm through, it comes around, holding it with my elbow, and here it is. Now, back on the back, you can try, depends on how tall you are and how big the backpack is. Sometimes, also it depends on the ground. Sometimes you can slide in your shoulder, but right now it's not possible. So again, straight back, I slide it on my leg, then one arm through, rotate it, and the rotation mainly comes from the backpack itself when you use your elbow. Then the other side, closing the buckles, and then stand up. In most cases, I personally stand up first and then put the backpack back on, because standing up with the backpack from the ground, for me it feels less efficient than at first standing up and then lifting it up. Okay. Before you switch to the next video, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.